Welcome to Observers. In this video, I will show you how to make a copy of a Google Doc. So whether you have a Google Docs template that you want to start with or somebody else shared a file with you, here is what you can do to make a copy of it. Open Google Doc. This is a document with the name info. Click File, select Make a Copy. Copy document, name the file. It will be saved in this folder. I can save it anywhere else by clicking this button as well. I can share this document with the same people that are able to view this location. And after that, I can click Make a Copy. A new tab will open and the document will be copied and saved in my Google Drive. And it was renamed as well. So this is the original document. And this document is the copy of that document. You can start working on it without modifying the original file. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.